Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to detect from an image whether it is a left hand or a right hand using the vision framework in Flutter iOS. Now there is one bug with this particular thing, like even if I show it a left hand, it always says it is a right hand. I don't know why it is doing that, but there is, I think according to me at least, there is a bug at the time of me recording the video, but I think by the time you watch it, it could get resolved. I'm not really sure. So what I'm basically doing is that I'm using the vision framework for iOS to detect what color, hand I am exactly detecting. I'm presenting inside an image view. So here you can see I'm presenting the left hand, right? But if you see the output, it tells me that I have detected right hand. So this is the issue. I'll show it for a few other images as well. So I have this particular image, I think so, image 2 I guess. So I'll just rerun this application. Also you will have to rerun this application on a real iOS device. You can't use the simulator for this. So here is the output for the second thing as well. So once it has detected the hand, I'm sending that result back to Flutter side as well. So also here I'm not using the UI image I'm not using the image view from Flutter side. We are using the UI image view for native iOS. Otherwise we won't be able to detect it. We won't be able to use the vision framework. So here you can see I'm able to detect the right hand. So yeah, it works for right hand. I don't know why it doesn't work for left hand. In case if I'm doing something wrong, do let me know in the comments. But anyways, let's look at the code. So here you can see that this is our Flutter application, and I have just refactored this home page widget to be a stateless widget. I have taken scaffold, safe area, size box of width 300 by 300, and this is the custom widget which I have created. So I have created this custom widget called my image view. So firstly it takes an identifier. Same identifier we will have to use it on native iOS side as well. It is a stateful widget. Here I have created one method channel which will help us to send the data back from native iOS to Flutter side. So if platform is iOS, then only we present this UI kit view. Otherwise for all other platform I don't know how to use it, because vision framework is iOS specific only. Then here you can see on platform created, we give this callback and we listen for this method call handler. So I have created this method. So once native iOS sends data back to Flutter side, like which hand it has detected, I am printing it over here, but you can use it however you feel like. Then I have opened the XE workspace of iOS inside Xcode. First thing which you will have to do, inside your assets you can add few images. So as you can see I have added few images. Add whatever you feel like. Then go to your project, and here you will have to change the deployment target to at least iOS 15, as well as you will have to go over here and you will have to change the deployment of iOS to 15 here as well. Then go to app delegate, and here we are firstly registering our view. So I am using the same identifier which I have used it on Flutter side, and here we are referencing our Swift file. So create this Swift file called my image view native view factory. I have already created it, and now this is boilerplate code which you have to write every time you want to embed a native iOS view inside your project, inside your Flutter app. So just copy paste it. Important thing to notice, here we are referencing another Swift file called my image view native view. So here I have created a Swift file for that as well. Here we are importing Flutter UI kit and vision. Then here I have created this UI view. This is our method channel for sending data back, and this is our UI image view. We are overriding this method, creating our view, initializing our channel. So I'm using the same method channel name. Here we are initializing our UI image view, adding it to our parent, setting some NS layout constraints, and here we are loading our image. Now change this to your own image name, don't use mine, otherwise you might get an error. And then we are setting it to our image view. Then here we call detect hand pose. Here we are overriding this particular method to return our view, and inside detect hand pose we basically convert this UI image to CG image. Then we use vn detect human hand pose request. Then we create a request handler as well, and on a background thread we perform this hand pose request. Then we get the first result out of it. Then we just call self.determine hand chirality, and from that hand chirality value we can either detect left hand or right hand. So here you can see I'm sending those data back to Flutter side. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.